1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing another cool song by Bob Seger, Fire Lake. So let's get to it. Let's start with putting a capo on 2nd fret, please. 1, 2. Standard tuning, 2nd fret. For the verses, we have a G major shape. 1, 2, 3. D major. E minor. So the switching would be G 2 3 4, D 2 3 4, E minor 3 4 1 2, E D D D. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 And if we want to get a little bit more advanced and play more like exactly like the record, we want to do some alternate the bass. So when you hit the G, you pick the low E string, down, up, and then you hit the D string. Play the D, you hit the D, down, up, and then A string, and then over E you hit the E, and then the A string. Then for that bridge, nice bridge, we got let's see, C major, 1 2 3, C major to B over G, that's 2nd fret A, 3rd fret B string, to E minor, and then B minor bar chord, starting on the A string, bar that, 4 4 3, to A minor, back to C, G major, and end on D. 1 2 3 4. to D7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Alright, let's do that bridge again. C, B over G, E minor, B minor, A minor, C. This is very soft. And then D, 2, pick it up, E7. Come on. One more time. Cool. So let's review before we end the lesson. Basic strumming: down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, and verse chords: G major, D, E minor, E, D. And you can either just strum it like that, or you can do the alternate bass picking, which is 6, 4, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. For the bridge, we got C major, B over G, E minor, B minor, A minor, C, G, and do the build on D major. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, D7. Cool. Thanks, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome songs. Be safe. Take it easy.